Hey, let's come to the forest with me. Just a fun trip. We made it. Let's walk on the trail so we can experience nature. So relaxing. Note that I got this forest scene from YouTube. Just for fun for a trip on YouTube. I should stop talking. Let's relax.
Like the one I seen on a cereal box. And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen.
Almost there to the second path, then the forest. D.
And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated?
So we are at the forest, yay. Wanna do some quadrophobics with me? Okay, let's go. Asterisk, we do quadrophobics on the grass asterisk. That was fun. Let's go home and take the forest trail route.
Run for the yard, they bought up the
Time to go home. That was such a fun trip. We should go somewhere else next time. I don't know where to go next. Probably the Arctic. Okay, we will do that. Probably in a few days or so. I'm so excited for the next trip to nature.
Like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated?
Almost on second trail. Then we can go home. Enjoy the view and nature. Hope this video made your day great because this video took so long to edit. Hope you enjoyed that trip. See you again soon.